Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones LG Tone 3 Fit with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, or you can go to Control Panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Now go to Settings. After that, open the charging case. And now the headphones should enter to prank mode automatically, but if this LED light not blinking blue, just press and hold on your left or right earbuds. Here we go. Now click connect. Okay, we should see these headphones here. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!